In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add elements in your Wix site. When you're building a website in Wix, almost everything you see on the page is an element. Things like text, images, buttons, galleries, contact forms, and even decorative shapes are all considered elements. Knowing how to add and place these elements is one of the most important skills for designing a clean, professional-looking site. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened the editor for the site you want to work on. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. The one we're interested in is the plus sign. This is the Add button, and it's where you'll find all the different elements you can place on your page. Go ahead and click on the plus sign on the left sidebar. When you do, a panel will slide out, showing you a list of element categories, such as text, images, buttons, galleries, decorative items, and more, depending on the version of the editor you're using. Each category contains a variety of ready-made designs, so you don't have to start from scratch. To add an element, first choose the category that matches what you need. For example, if you want to add a heading or a paragraph, click on the text category. You'll see different styles of headings, titles, and body text. Once you find a style you like, simply click on it or drag it directly onto your page. Wix will place that element on the current page you're editing. After the element appears on your page, you can click and drag it to move it to the exact position you want. Use the alignment guides that show up to help you line things up and keep your layout clean. You can also use the resize handles around the element to make it larger or smaller, depending on your design. To customize what the element says or how it looks, just double-click it or use the settings and design options that appear, usually in a small menu next to or above the element. This is where you can change text, colors, fonts, images, and other styling options. That's all there is to it. By clicking the plus sign on the left sidebar and choosing from the available categories, you can quickly add new elements and build out each section of your